Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. SideAncient, an ancient port town located on a small peninsula on Turkey's southern Mediterranean coast, roughly 78 kilometers east of Antalya. Founded by Greek colonists in the 7th century BC, the town's name SideAncient is an ancient Luwian word meaning pomegranate. SideAncient grew into the most important port city in the ancient region of Pamphylia. Unlike nearby party hubs, SideAncient offers a relaxed evening atmosphere with live acoustic music and seaside cocktail bars. The narrow, cobbled alleyways are packed with shops selling leather goods, spices, and clothing. Haggling is highly expected and part of the shopping experience. The weekly market, every Saturday, a vibrant local street market takes place directly across from the main mosque. Famous for its unique layout, SideAncient seamlessly blends well-preserved Greco-Roman ruins with a vibrant modern resort town, making the entire peninsula feel like an open-air museum where you can walk over history. Over the centuries, it was ruled by the Lydians, Persians, Alexander the Great, and eventually the Romans, under whom it flourished as a wealthy commercial center and a notorious hub for Mediterranean pirates. According to local legend, SideAncent's romantic seaside setting was the designated meeting spot where Mark Antony and Cleopatra met as a token of his love. It is globally renowned as a spectacular spot for sunset photography. Best time to visit, the optimal window is April to October. Apollonic, often spelled Apollonic Cafe and Bar, is a highly rated, rustic cafe and bar located in the historic old town of SideAncient. Known for its quirky, Hansel and Gretel aesthetic, it stands out from modern tourist resorts by preserving a traditional and relaxed atmosphere. The venue was originally opened in 1962 by a history enthusiast and is currently operated as a multi-generational family business. Situated right on the edge of the old harbour and directly adjacent to the famous 2nd century Temple of Apollo. The cafe is built directly into ancient ruins. Parts of its roof rest on the historic site, and customers can sit amongst ancient stones and greenery. Widely regarded by patrons on TripAdvisor as one of the best locations in SideAncient to enjoy drinks while watching the sunset over the Mediterranean Sea. Getting around, the historic core of the peninsula is pedestrian only. Local minibuses, called dolmus, drop passengers off right at the main archaeological gate. SideAncient serves as an excellent base for nature and history lovers. You can easily book a combined day excursion to check out the dramatic Manavgat waterfall, go rafting in the Kaprulu Canyon, or marvel at the nearby Aspendos Amphitheatre, which features the most perfectly intact Roman theatre acoustics in the world. Located right at the edge of the ancient harbour, the remaining towering white marble columns of this 2nd century AD temple serve as the universal symbol of SideAncient. Spring, April and May, and autumn, September-October, offer ideal temperatures for exploring the outdoor ruins comfortably without the intense summer heat. The waterfront is packed with boutique hotels, seafood restaurants, and casual bars featuring live acoustic music. It offers a chilled, laid-back atmosphere. SideAncient is vastly different from intense nightlife hubs. Many of the shopping streets in the Old Town feature structural glass floors. This allows you to look directly down at ancient Roman houses and mosaics illuminated beneath your feet while you shop or walk to a cafe. I hope you have enjoyed this video on SideAncient, Turkey. And thank you for watching. To help my channel grow, please like and subscribe. It is free, and I'll see you all on the next one.